First, open up your browser and go to apache.org. Scroll down, and select Tomcat. On the left, select which Apache version Tomcat to download. Under Core, select Windows Service Installer. Run the Apache Tomcat installer. In the configuration page, set Server Shutdown Port to 9000 and select Next. Open up your browser again, and search for JDK, and select Downloads from the first results. Select JDK Download. Download the Windows x64 installer. Install the JDK. In the Apache Tomcat setup, go back and then Next. This will detect your JDK. Let it run. To check your Tomcat server is working, open up your browser and type in localhost:8080. All done. Please subscribe.